Ebube Chukwu dị n'arụ m, ọ dị n'arụ m. Ebube Chukwu dị n'isi m, ọ dị n'isi m. Ebube Chukwu dị n'arụ m, ọ dị n'arụ m. Ebube Chukwu dị n'isi m, ọ dị n'isi. Ebube Chukwu dị n'arụ, ọ dị n'isi m, ọ dị n'arụ. Ebube Chukwu dị n'isi, ọ dị n'arụ m, ọ dị n'isi. Ebube Chukwu dị n'arụ, ọ dị n'isi m, Ebube Chukwu dị n'isi, ọ dị n'arụ m, ọ dị n'isi. Ebube ya ji, ọ bụ ebube ya ji, ọ bụ ebube Chukwu ji m, ọ bụ ebube ya ji. I have confidence in God I serve. Yes, I have confidence in God I praise. He's doing marvelous things in my side. Because His grace has covered me, I am victorious. Ebube Chukwu dị n'isi m, Ebube Chukwu dị n'arụ m, Ebube Chukwu dị na ndụ m, ebube ya jim jim jim. Ebube Chukwu dị n'isi m, ọ dị n'isi m. Ebube Chukwu dị na ndụ m, ọ dị ya ọ dị n'isi m, Ebube Chukwu dị, ebube ya dị na ndụ m, ọ dị n'isi. Ebube Chukwu dị, ebube ya dị n'isi m, Ebube Chukwu dị, ebube ya ji m, ọ dị n'isi.
Ebube Chukwu dị n'arụ m, Ebube Chukwu dị n'isi m. Echetara m ihe mere arụ one gara aga. Esi m Lagos wee na-eje Abuja. Mgbe ụgbọala bụ anyị rutere n'Ọkada na Benin, very close to Okada Junction. Ụgbọala bụ anyị nwere head-on collision with another upcoming bus going to Lagos. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nwụrụ anya bụ ụgbọala. Mana esi m na window maka na moto squeeze the driver na onwe ya adịgo trapped. He can't even come out. Na window ka anyị si wee litu wee nye aka na-ebupụtasị ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ, ndị dị unconscious, ma ndị gbajiri ụkwụ, ndị a na-ekechi ejiri akwa wee na-ekechi ụkwụ ha. Ma maka nji wee malụ na Ebube Chukwu dị n'isi m, marakwa na Ebube Chukwu dị n'arụ m. Nwachukwu, mgbe igwelu na Chukwu okike mesie ya ike, maka na Ebube Chukwu ga-adị n'arụ gị, ọ ga-adịkwazị n'isi gị ma ọ bụrụ na igwelu ya gazie.
His glory is here, His glory is sure, His glory is on me. And
good morning, viewers all over the world. Egwu ihe nụrụ kịta bụ egwu si na ngalaba n'afọ gbasara mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo n'Ugochi Ọdịnala Temple. A na-akpọ Nkwa Group led by me. We have all the rights. Ọ bụrụ na ị like ya bụ egwu, jee na Audio Mark, the iTunes and rest of them. Download onye bụ egwu. We have all the rights. For some of you that are seeing me here for the first time, call me Ogbuefi Eze-Ana, Ugochi Ọdịnala. Oraifite is in Anambra State. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja n'Ugochi Ọdịnala Temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja n'ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụkwa onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ all you need to know about you. All you need to know about you. Yes. But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are in the month of January, and our group ritual for the month have started. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Distance is never a barrier in all our spiritual work or consultation in the temple. We started this group ritual over 3 years ago. We have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media or even in Eze-Ana TV. You know why? It's not necessary. It's not why we are here. But I can tell you, Eze-Ana actually go. This ụtụtụ a ejego na temple chụọ aja go for kwubi make declarations upon the lives of those that join us, upon the lives of members of the temple, the children of the temple and the friends of the temple, and the members of Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission all over the world. As in Nomaka Yemeron. Yana kwazi ndị na-esonye na anyị, ndị na-enye aka na-agbasa our administration, both social media on Eze-Ana TV. As in Nomaka Yemekwa n'ụlọ. So ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ iso na this group rituals anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa ọbụla, etu a ka m ga-esi na-agụ ọfọ na-achụ aja n'isi fa throughout the month. The last day of the month, we visit the water. Chụọ aja ihe ọnụ na-eri n'aha mmadụ dum. Jee na-akpọ ọkalete ndị mmiri na ndị ọgbanje jee chụọ aja ihe mmehie. Gbalụtozie na temple, chụọ aja to entities of powers nọ na temple. Jee n'ebe nchụ aja gbuo ebu na saraka. I can tell you n'ike dị na aja. Nwanne chụba aja maka na aja karịrị ọgwụ. Then, you have done choka kowala game na obone is interested in so he game make token donation. Yes, make token donation. Before there are 3 prayer requests, I get them an altar na chua and could be kuna fagiti no wow. I won't know what I do when I could see Ijakenota. More nature kabala alpha midday. Yes, more nature is in a group ritual. Chat me on WhatsApp. 0805 78 37 672. I repeat, 0805 78 37 672 or 0813 82 43 871. I repeat, 0813 82 43 871. Now let's dive into today's lecture proper. I'm on the network at the of man. For some of you that are joining us from our social media platforms, especially Facebook. But let's proceed. HFGana. Now, Cousin na no ta. HFGana na social media. Join our Facebook page. Obu Eze-Ana go to Berega no. But we join our TikTok account. Obu Eze-Ana go to Berega. But we join our YouTube. Eze-Ana TV. Try Eze-Ana TV. Gonna for our lectures. Yeah, on Eze-Ana TV then our YouTube. Let's now proceed. Gainable topic of today. All you need to know about you. That is all you need to know about oath of life. And when you madongolo, where? Yes. And when some certain declaration made in good faith by individuals or even group of people. But today we want to focus on individual you. Yes. Let me give you an example for you to have faint idea of what oath of life is all about, or you. I have seen many people. I have seen women that out of baby based on what they are experiencing right now, or out of pain, they said that in their next life that they wish and long to be a man. Have you seen such people? Have you seen some certain, even men? I have seen men that said, or say, no wars here, maybe because of experiences and desire, self-wish, longing. He said, no wars here, okay, the man is saying this. No wars here, one. Maybe because of some certain experiences. If I have another opportunity to be here on earth, I will remain a man. So, I have seen a medical doctor, a lady, when I was in Abuja. She told me that now, when he hear the are you following? Based on maybe whatever she's experiencing, or maybe because of what she have experienced in the past. Are you following? So, I have seen a woman, because of her pains in her marriage, she did everything, virtually everything humanly possible. But at the end of the day, to cut the whole story short, she wasn't happy in her marriage. And she now swore that in the next life, nobody heard it. Are you following? Because they did not favor her. Now, and out of pain, she made such declaration. I have even seen a woman, that particular woman, her problem now, no one don't know. Almost almost 8. Mana umazini na onworo kelotalo nefa. Onworo kelotalo nefa no go obuna na ekwale etwarere na ebe akwa. Crying on daily basis, their mother. And to make the matter worse, all the children abandoned their mom because of what someone told them. And they believed the person and began to call their mother a witch. And all of them abandoned this woman to die. And out of pain, this woman under harsh condition to raise these children. At the end of the day, what is her gain? He now made statement that Omomoboro Manka, what he hear Jomweme, no career that she lived like the white. Understand? You live like a white, maybe you live your life, enjoy your single good as a lady. You are not interested in bearing children. You are not even interested in getting married. And they all know what we hear they mean at this time. I have seen even a lady now, a lady of less than 40 years, saying that he is not interested in getting married. If I will borrow words from her mouth, I said, who marriage help? Maybe because of where the thing touches her. You know this word, you will always see some people that will be making comments and saying life no balance. Those people that is making that statement that life no balance, I can tell you, there is also their mate that will never say such a thing because life balance for them. Life is all about how it touches you. So sometimes out of anger, out of pain of what we experience now, we now make some certain oath of life. Sometimes what some of you are passing through now is as a result of that oath we took in our previous life. Yes. Some of us, whatever they are passing through now is as a result of that particular oath. Either in the previous earth life or even in this present earth life. I have seen a woman, she is childless. She now was like, because according to what she told me, she living in a compound and she saw two little children, having issues. So after looking at what is their problem, the one that is at fault, she picked small cane and flogged that one, never to do this again. That particular little child she flogged went to her mother and complained that her mother that Auntie Ngozi flogged me. And some children now, he did not even tell her mother her offense. You understand? So the mother, some women now, he jump out of her house and begin to abuse that woman that disciplined her little daughter without even asking my fellow woman what happened. So we begin to rain abuses on this particular woman and telling her, you barren woman, do you know what it takes to give birth to a child? That's why this woman told me that she cried. She cried. This particular incident happened around 15 years ago. She cried, saying, is it because she's childless? She cried. And she prayed that particular day. He told me that he said these particular words in pain, pleading for Chukwuoke to give her a child, even a child, that she want to carry a child. She want to be pregnant for us. She want to give birth. Even if the child will die later, let the world know that actually she can bear children. She said this in pain. I struggled to console her. And that thing she said later happened. She later, after a few years, she became pregnant, have a baby girl. After giving birth, the child later died. It's of recent that we did what we call negative oath of life reversal to break that oath. As we speak now, she put to bed this last year that just passed, a baby boy now. So, but what I want to tell you that oath of life is effect, because this our mouth, the word of mouth, ile. My advice to you that is under the influence of my voice now, before you utter a word out of anger, out of pain, make sure you know what you are saying. Don't take such a decision when you are very angry. When you are in pain, you can say some certain things that will hurt you tomorrow. So what am I saying? There is negative oath of life. People normally make such decisions, take some certain oath out of pain. So what I'm saying is that make sure, mind the word of your mouth. Mind word of your mouth, so that you will not make some certain decision that will hurt you tomorrow. And within you, I have given you some instances to prove to you that there is a you. And I'm urging you not to be taking some certain oath in a hurry, when you are very upset, when you are in pain, when you are angry. Because there is this elemental beings that is there watching each and every one of you, every one of us, weaving, tying all those our decisions and oaths of life. And even if it's negative, they are there tying those things and keeping it for you. Garbage in, garbage out, because it's the word you utter with your mouth. So what am I saying in essence is, there is this negative oath of life. Make sure that whenever you make this declaration, let it not be negative. You made this utterances yourself. Nobody forced you, because he made those declarations because he cared in Okwan. You make that declaration yourself. That is, this is what you wish, what you want for yourself. This is what you wish, and this is what you want for yourself, and it will come to pass, because this is declaration you made for yourself. This is the decision you made for yourself. And the only solution whenever you make those negative declaration is reversal. So if you have some of this oath of life, there is some oath of life you took. Maybe when in their previous earth life, you took oath of life that if you come in this world, example, in your previous earth life, maybe someone saved your life when you are very sick, when you are sick, and you made an oath saying, this person saved my life with you, just like that, that in my next life I will be a dibia, I will be a spiritualist, I will be a priest to save and intervene on other people's case. Now you are now in the present earth life. Maybe because of one thing or the other, you are no longer interested in following that oath you took, that noble profession you cherish, and make it an oath, because it's in one was a gapia. Nanga bonye na azonde madoria, na azonde madondo, na wonde madoria as a spiritualist. Now you are now in this world. You are no longer want to be what you, the oath, you know, I don't want to keep the oath you made in peace. So whatever that is happening to you now could be as a result of oath you took in your previous earth life. Yes. Or the oath you took while here on earth. Because every our word of mouth, any word of mouth, we use it to create. Because how you want your tomorrow to be, you create it yourself by your word of mouth, by your thoughts, and by your actions. We create, we human beings have the powers to create by word of mouth, by our thoughts, and by our actions. So word of mouth is one area that we can create. So watch whatever oath you are taking. Watch whatever oath you are taking in this present earth life for your own good. Iyowa, there is Iyowa. Iyi manongono no wambia. He exists. So some certain things in our phone. Did you know that there are some people that took oath in their previous earth life that Nahabio was and Nahamanu Dimon Nahamanu Ema? Do you know that there are some certain people that took oath that in the next life, their earth life, the oath they took in their previous earth life, that they will never get married. Some will even take they will never get married. That their interested is to be here on earth, live their life, and just die and go. You know. Yes. So be mindful of oath you are taking. Be mindful of oath you are taking. Because any oath you take in this world will come back to you, because you are the one that sow it. Because whatever you sow, so shall you reap. You sow it by thought. You make the declaration You make your wish known to creation. You long for it. And once you long for it, those your thought has been penciled down for you. And I can list many types of quote of life. But to use some example I have cited, check it upon your life. That whatever you are passing through now could be as a result of the oath you took. Some people normally take some certain decision that they don't want to be successful. They just want to be just average. That's whatever. Once they get what they eat, they don't care about creating wealth. And I went to one man do how yes. If you want to be successful, you make the declaration. I will be successful. And they match it, your word with action. It comes to pass. Like me, I made up my mind that I must succeed in life. I must make an impact. I must be a joy giver. Yes, I must touch lives. I must help the needy. I must be the player, a key player. That I will never be a spectator. That is my decision. And that is my set goal. And that's what I'm looking at. And that is what I must achieve. It's all about decision and what you take on life. I have made my mind that I must stand and propagate this Igbo spirituality to the fullest. Because I have seen that never I can do there. I don't know whatever that is your EU. Your EU might be that you don't want to anything that if you are that you don't care to create wealth, you don't care to help others. That you are not interested. It's all about your choice. Life is all about choice. But I can tell you, sometimes some of the things we are passing now is as a result of choice we made via oath. And no more is there to take note of those oaths you took in good faith. So, however, whenever you notice in your life that there is this negative oath of life that is stopping you, you need to break it by someone that understands the importance of breaking and someone that knows how to do it. In the temple, breaking oath of life is part of my calling. I've done it over and over again to reverse it. Because this oath of life was took by word of mouth. And it's by word of mouth you reverse it. If you are called to do so. If you can't do it yourself, contact me, I will help you. We have done it to many. Set people captive. People that are captive, set them free. Some people are captive because of the oath they took. And such people need help in order to be set free by higher power. So let me stop here. If we have any question concerning our teaching today about oath of life, and I can tell you, in oath of life, some people took positive oath of life, no doubt. While some people took negative oath of life. Like me, when I started this my calling, I told my Israel that with all joy that I have accepted to do my calling, that I'm no longer rejecting it. Now, but I pleaded with them that I want to make an impact. I don't just want to be a spectator in this calling storm. But I want to be great among the greatest. But I want to be successful. I want to have all the powers to help people, to liberate them, the needy, to make an impact, to be a joy giver to many that will cross my path. And believe in me, my Eze-Ana granted my request. And so far, so good. We are on the right track, saving lives. So, Oath of life has negative and negative. Have negative. I don't know the exactly oath of life it took. But life experiences will determine, will show you whether you took the negative one or positive one. So let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, or you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp. Agokwa mo for kubioku upon the lives of those that join us, sharing our message, keep telling people about our administrations. Ekubiemo kudiko onye nchuaja. No maka gemerono. That you people will be successful. That no man or woman will kill you. No man or woman will take your life. No man or woman will take what belongs to you. In the name of Chukwu Keprimi Henny, no you can listen at Kiaga. As a moon tomorrow. No one on web project you actually never channel your poor me. Now I got no go one cage. I want cage open tomorrow. As a momaka me alone. As I make declaration upon your lives that this 2025 will be the year of abundance. That none of our followers will lack. That 2025 will be better than 2024 and previous years. Now I took work kept me here in when you can listen at Kiaga. Can I say,